Hi guys, Big Bang Biker here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. So the thing is, as you have seen in the previous video, I have unboxed a brand new iPhone 12. I'm super psyched about this camera, and I'll be making sure to make more videos with this. 4K videos, 1080p 60, whatever you call it. I'll be capturing dedicated videos of my adventure as well with this camera. More to that later. The thing is, this particular video that you're going to see right now was shot before March 15th or March 10th. Around that time is where Pranav saw me buying the Adventure 390. He got inspired and he bought the Adventure 390 as well because he was with me in Goa, remember? We had been to the Goa IPW for the unveiling of Adventure. So at that point itself, he fell in love with the motorcycle and he bought it. So as a welcome ride for the new motorcycle, we thought we'll go to Timappanbetta, which is very close to Bangalore, near Ramnagara. So that's where we thought we'll go. So the previous day before this ride happened, we just spoke to Akash and Manoj, and even they said they are excited to join in and see two adventure motorcycles at the same time. So we said okay, we'll go. But the condition was we'll not go straight to Timappanbetta, rather we'll take some off-roads or crossroads or some village roads, experience something new, and only then go to Timappanbetta. That was the condition. And that's what exactly happened, as what you'll see right now in this video. We ended up going to a new place called Nelligoda Lake. It was beautiful, beautiful place. Go experience that vlog and I'll come back in between to talk to you guys again. Hi guys, Big Bang Biker here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. So my friends Pranav, Manoj and Akash have come here and we are all going there. Pranav is extremely excited and he was the one who suggested this place now. Okay, there's a beautiful, beautiful sunrise in Bangalore and it's cold, very cozy to ride. Despite coming late, these people have not even filled the fuel yet. This ride plan was done last night itself and we were supposed to meet at 6:30. But yeah, Pranav has a negative influence on everyone. He makes everyone lazy. Yen kai torstya? In this ride, there's something special. The thing is, I used to own the RTR 180 and he used to own NS 200. So we have upgraded from these bikes. So it feels really nice to have these nostalgic bikes with us. At least for Pranav, it is recent. For me, I had my RTR, I guess, 5 years ago or something like that. And I missed that bike, man. RTR 180 in white. I loved that motorcycle to the core. Hey, maga, in filter haಕ್ಸಿದೆ ತಾನೆ ಗಾಡಿಗೆ? ಯಾವುದು? ಕೇಂಡನ್ನ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೌಂಡು. Yeah, obviously. RTR. He's telling him how was my bike. Oh man. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಕಡೆ ರೋಡ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ರೋಡು. ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಆನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಮಜಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಜಾ. Before we go to Timappanbetta, let's go here. Look at this, man. Beautiful. I mean, it's not even 45 minutes since we started our ride. So directly going to just Timappanbetta doesn't really make any sense. Okay, that that cattle is getting pissed off, I guess. I just want to be careful here. It is totally, I don't know. It's totally. I hope it doesn't get enraged and attack us. Wow, that was really nice to see. I mean, adventure is so comfortable, man. Wow, this is nice. This is very, very nice. ಏನು ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so all the bird photographers can definitely come to this place for sure. I see a lot of them. I don't know names of any of them. There is a friend of mine called Shabir who's into this. Bro, please definitely come here. This location is dedicated to you. I saw some peacocks as well. Maybe on the way back out of this, we'll be able to see it there. We saw a couple of them fly out there. Let's go. This is very nice, dude. This place is called Nalligudde or Nelligudde, however you want to pronounce it. I will leave a link down in the description below for this place as well. Come down, but please, please, please keep it clean. Don't destroy this place at all. There are too many birds here, so I would suggest you keep it clean as well. So the thing is, I went there. I was excited to find out the new place. As you saw, there were some cattle and everything staring at us. All these things was fine. It is just that there are way too many birds. I was appreciating them in person, and I was really loving that fact that there were like at least 20 different type of birds. Trust me on that. And I fell in love with the place. I did record something on my camera, which is my OnePlus 3T, my previous phone, but by chance or by mistake or whatever, I deleted that particular video sometime during the 7 months gap, and I lost a beautiful footage there. I regret that to the core. Well, anyways, I could not show that. Rather, you can go there and find out yourself. Go really early in the morning, 6:30, 7:30 like we went. You will get to experience that. Then we decided, okay, let's not stay there for a longer time. We'll go and experience the bridge, because we went on Google and found out that there was a bridge over there or the dam over there. So that's where we wanted to go. And you see for yourself as to what happened. We did some monkey business there for sure. I was about to fall, but I didn't fall obviously. But I caught my adventure. Okay, let me not talk. Go see that. Yep, so basically I want to ride my bike over there. There is only one off-road patch, but it is too steep. I'll ask my friends to help me out. But for now I have to get my bike down here first of all. That's it. Tari, one ನಿಮಿಷ ತರಿ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟೀಪ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. What is the point of having an adventure bike and not riding here? Come on, look at this place. Oh, this is beautiful, man. Really, really beautiful. Nelligudda. Yes! The thing is, my body weight pushed the left mirror out. Two of my favorite bikes, RTR 180, Adventure 390, ಎರಡು ಬಂದಿದೆ. Look at the view here, ಲೇ. ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ನಾವು. I mean, ಅಲ್ಲ, so we were at the dead end there. There is a white building, right? We were somewhere close to that place. But from here, the view of Nelligudda or Nalligudda lake is even better. So at that time I had come here, but there is too much of issues here. Oh, look at this place, man. Really nice. For people who are here, for them this is a boon actually. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಿಲ್ವಾ ಇವಾಗ? ಕಲ್ಲಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಕಡೆನೂ ಕಲ್ಲಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಓ, ಆ ಥರ. Okay. The thing is, I thought I'll climb from here actually, but it is too slant and I might had a fall. ಊರವ್ರೇನಾ? ನೈಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಒಂಥರ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗಿ ಹತ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ. ಸಗದಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಈ ಥರ ಜಾಗಗಳಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಮಂಚಿನ ಬೆಲೆ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಅವತ್ತು. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪನ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? Really thanks to Satvik for motivating me and Akash. So we had come here and we were like, shit man, I want to ride here. And he was good enough to say that, dude, you can do here, and yeah, it is legal. That's how you slide, maga. Crazy. Crazy ಆಗಿ ಬಂತ ತರ ಅದು. So this is Nalligudde Lake or Nelligudde Lake as per Google. This is how the place is. Brilliant place. And I just did off-roading on this road here. So I spoke to some locals as well. As you saw there, Satvik, he was telling that there is no issue at all if you ride your bike here, but you are at the risk of falling. So that is one thing you have to keep in mind. As you saw in the video there, I almost climbed, but my rear tire went onto the grass and MTC just kicked in and it decided, Maga, you are falling. Akash, Pranav and Manoj. So Akash and I have managed to get our bikes here, but I cannot expect Pranav to get his bike here is because 200-300 kilometers ashtata. Yes. First service is also not done. We didn't want him to over rev the bike, and he was a little scared also. Come on, this is a big bike for him also, and he is a stick person as I've told. Stick person as I've told. So it takes some strength to hold the bike when it is going down. Exactly. I thought I only will fall, but somehow I could control. That's okay. But you have to come to this place. The link to this place is in the description below. Nice. Very nice, man. Okay, now that you have seen the slow motion of me skidding the bike around and everything, now you know how much fun that place is. Please, when you go there, please be safe. Enjoy, don't overdo it. Just make sure your friends are around. Don't ride super fast and all those things. Be very careful. The people around that village were really nice. Recently, I took my wife also over there and she also loved it. It was very calm. And wow, what a place, man. Go experience it for yourself. Well, in the next video, you will get to see Timappan Betta in a whole new different perspective. There are new things constructed there as well already. And I was riding my adventure up and down the hills and everything. You'll get to see that in the next vlog. Tune in tomorrow or day after, that vlog will be out as well. So with this iPhone 12, I'll make sure to show as much as possible of my experiences with you guys and have fun together. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and see you in the next one.